Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in Seaside, Oregon, and we're going to do a walk going to downtown. So let's get into it. We're walking on Broadway. So here we go. We're just crossing the bridge right now. Little river action. You can rent those actually and take them out on the water. It's kind of cool.
For no reason.
So coming into this downtown, there's quite a few things we check out on a regular basis when we come down here. There's an arcade, the Carousel, N Pancake, we come on our last day here. There's an ice cream shop we typically go to. So kind of have our staples, but Broadway here, this is kind of the main street of downtown. It's going to go right to the end of the Lewis and Clark Trail. Kids are at the arcade with the wife, so I'm going to do a quick walk. So we'll just walk down this way, and I think we'll end it at the Lewis and Clark statue that they got down there. But we'll make a few stops along the way. Alright, so the first thing we're going to see on our left here, N Pancake. So like I was just saying, we pretty much come here every single time we come to Seaside, so we will be having breakfast there tomorrow morning because it is our last day tomorrow. So N Pancake right there, good breakfast spot. I think it's a chain here in Oregon. There's like at least 5 of them, I believe, around. So I've seen quite a few of them, but the only one we've ever been to is the one here in Seaside. Seaside Carousel Mall. Biggest thing here is going to be the carousel. We'll go in and check it out. So we actually tried something different. We actually went to this Twisted Fish for lunch today, which was right here. Wasn't bad. We have typically gone to the one next door to it, but the fish house a little bit pricier, so we decided to skip that today. Fish House Pub, which is right here, but they do have these really cool outdoor tables. So we're gonna go back across the Carousel Mall and check out the carousel. I had to call the wife back. She was calling, so kind of cool. A bunch of little gift shops in here. We've had coffee from this coffee shop a couple of times. Not too bad. Carousel, $5 a kid. Only take cash. So if you're going to do the carousel, make sure you got cash. I got one of the character artists right here. Cool little arcade. Or off around the arcade. I think they actually expanded this. I don't think this back section was part of the arcade before. I think they made it bigger since the last time we were here. Could be wrong, but I don't remember this part being all here. This Minecraft game our kids are apparently getting obsessed with. So we'll see how that goes. Store, leather. Carousel's about to get going. Kids toy store. Oh, there they are. She looked at me like she didn't know who I was. They even have a year-round Christmas store. 'Tis the season.
Don't get tired of it, girls.
These are all your Christmas needs. All right. Across the street here, go through the big arcade. So Fultano's Pizza, that's another chain down here, but they have Fultano's Pizza, and then they have a full arcade in here as well. This one's actually a pretty good arcade, and they actually have a unique game. I'll show you what that is in just a second. We'll walk through. All sorts of arcades. It's actually a pretty fun one, this dodgeball. Connect 4. Skee ball, your classic type games. Hot shot, huge, that's a huge basketball hoop game. So right here on our left, this is called Fascination. And I guess it was like back in the 50s this was really popular and arcades kind of took over. But think of like Connect 5, or what they're doing now is Blackout. So you basically throw a ball, try and black out all the spots. If it was the regular one, you would just get 5 in a row and you win. So kind of a cool game that's kid-friendly, adult-friendly. But back in the 50s it was really popular, and I guess this is one of the last places that still has Fascination. Minecraft game again. Godzilla VR. The classics, air hockey. They got a bunch of games in here. So, having 2 young kids, this place has been a very popular place for us to end up quite a bit. Across the street, so Seaside Gelato. I don't know if it's the best ice cream here in Seaside. Everyone is going to say their thing is the best whatever ice cream. We have had Seaside Gelato. I would say it was good. Nothing wrong with it. Couldn't say it's my favorite. I think my favorite is still this Staples like Tillamook. And other than Tillamook, I would say there's a lot of good creameries. So Tillamook down here is definitely a good one. Alright, across. We're just making our round all the way down. I've actually been wanting to try this place. Funnel cakes and pretzels. Looks kind of good. So this theater public house was recently redone. Kind of cool to see stuff get fixed up that was used at one point and then disappeared and come back and find a way to make it useful again. So that's kind of cool. Personally, we don't have any ties to the area, so I don't know what it was like before versus now. And, all right. We're gonna cross the street again. We're just going all over the place.
Washington! What?
So, Seaside, little oceanfront town, cool area. I've always thought it'd be cool if they had like kind of more of a carnival, but the closest thing they got is this mini golf area and bumper cars and tilt-a-whirl. So, tilt-a-whirl would be this thing. If you're ready to start puking, this would be your guy. And your classic bumper cars. Looks like they're getting ready to smash each other. They're the old school bumper cars, which is kind of cool. Mini golf looks a little tiny. So just a cool little seaside type town. Seaside town. But shooting gallery, they have the same one down in Seattle on the waterfront, I think.
Well, yeah. Okay, then here's the deal. If you get ice cream, I don't think you can go on the line.
Alright, so we're coming up to the ocean and the end of the Lewis and Clark Trail. So the last 2 years we've come down here, we always bring our trailer down here, but before we had stayed in the hotels down here. They have some timeshares. They're always trying to get you to come down, get some free time here and talk you into a timeshare. Don't get talked into a timeshare. Avoid it.
I'm jealous, but not.
So the other thing is weather can be a little sporadic here. So it was sunny earlier. It's now a little rainy. Probably be sunny later. It was also really windy. Now it's a little windy, but not nearly as bad. They had some kind of event this weekend too. We went to Tillamook and spent the day in Astoria yesterday, so we did not actually see this event, but they've been working hard getting it taken down today. But the end of the Lewis and Clark Trail, there it is. So they got this monument for it, which is kind of cool. And kind of cool. As you can see, they're still taking down whatever event this was. Alright, so we'll walk a little bit of the Promenade, which is this walkway along the beach here. We actually checked out the aquarium earlier today as well. But this promenade goes for, I think, 1.5 miles, 2 miles. It's not super long, but definitely good people watching. And people walk up and down this promenade to all the different restaurants and stuff along the beach. If you come here, definitely go a little further down from that main Broadway street portion of the beach. As you can see, they had all their main events there. Kind of gives you the idea of what downtown Seaside looks like. Alright, that's going to be the end of the video. Just want to show you a quick walk of the downtown Broadway street to the ocean. So I think we accomplished that. Until next time, keep us warm. We'll talk soon. Take care.